Once again, all of you,
Once
good
again, all
evening.
of you, good evening.
So already we have completed unit 1. So now we are discussing about unit 2. So that is wit and humors. So in this unit 2, so reading A is completed. Reading A completely over. So now we are discussing about B reading. So that is the Dear Departed part 2. So what we have discussed in the previous classes, I mean what happened, wait, what happened in the part 1. So the Dear Departed, the drama, that is one act play, it can be divided into two parts. So that is the Dear Departed part 1 and the Dear Departed part 2. So here, so we briefly known what we discussed in the previous class. So already we completely over the unit, I mean the Dear Departed part 1. So here, so the Dear Departed part 1 is what is actually together play, but it's divided into two parts, like reading A and reading B. A reading A, it's a Dear Departed part 1. A reading B, it is a Dear Departed part 2. So here, so reading B is very well, I mean the connection, it connection a part 1. So I mean Dear Departed part 1. So if you didn't listen part 1, so you can't understand the part 2. So you couldn't understand part 2, the Dear Departed part 2. So here it will I mean there will be no connection what happened part 1. So I mean if you listen directly second part, then there will be no connection what happened in the part 1, the Dear Departed the Dear Departed. So here now we are learning, now we are knowing about Dear Departed, the Dear Departed. Actually in the part 1 we had seen, so you know, Abel Merriweather laying down on the bed in his bedroom, I mean in the upstairs. Amelia and Elizabeth, they were daughters of Abel Merriweather. So I mean Amelia is a elder daughter and Elizabeth is a younger daughter of Abel Merriweather. So they both husbands, Slater and I mean Amelia husband Henry Slater, Elizabeth husband Ben Jordan, and Slater's daughter is Victoria. So they all know, they are all in, they are all in one play, I mean part 1 play. So here, and Victoria goes up, I mean we what happened in the part 1, what happened in the part 1, I mean the Dear Departed part 1, what was happening. So they, so Amelia goes up, I mean upstairs, and after exchanging some of the things of her father's, like when Victoria goes up and down, his grandfather usually, so grandfather usually goes, I mean grandfather usually goes down, so I mean comes down. So here they all think that Abel is a ghost. So I mean in the part 1 they I mean who Amelia and Elizabeth and their husbands and their children, they were decided, so usually gets up, grandfather usually gets up in his bed and comes down from upstairs, and they can see and they think that he is a ghost or a human. So that is in the part 1. And also, so what happened in the part 1, as you know, the elder daughter, I mean Amelia, and her husband, so Henry Slater, so they both try to bring down all the things of her father, I mean Abel Merriweather, uh, Abel Merriweather father's things, so properties, so mm, like a bureau and clock and a new slippers, they bring down and they bring down before before Elizabeth comes to home. So here, so they both, they come to, I mean uh, sorry, Elizabeth and her husband, Ben Jordan, they come they come to see a dead father. So, and here they finally seen a coming dead father. So here we know what happened in the part 1. So here this part 2 usually, which completely conclusion, were the real character of both daughters. So what happened in the part 1? So they actually acting both, so they could love her fathers like that. So here the second part, the original characters we can see in this second part. So in the first part, they were decided, I mean the daughters decided that, so Abel lie down in the bed, and they were decided, so they thought that he is a died. So he doesn't know, so what happened in the part 1, he doesn't know, I mean Abel Merriweather doesn't know what happened in the part 1. So here, so so actually we know that, so what happened in the part 1. So the both daughters, so the both daughters deciding to the sharing, the sharing of their things, I mean able things. So that's why here, what was going on the first part. So here, so you already we know what was going on the first part. So they were able, actually when a old man comes down, he just down and try to give a shake hand, like these the situations. So they were frightened at each other. So why? Because he may be a ghost or a human, like these they were discussing like that. So and also, so they were decided he was died. So at that moment, I mean Amelia and her husband Henry Slater, so decided, when they saw lay down on the bed, Abel Merriweather lay down on the bed in his bedroom, then they saw, they were decided, he is passed away. So he is passed away. So then they I mean elder daughter and her husband, some things brings down, I mean stolen down, before younger daughter comes to home. So what the things, a bureau and clock and new slippers they stolen from his bedroom. So this is the happened in the part 1. So and then the second the second part 2, the dear departed part 2, what happened the dear departed part 2. So the beginning of the dear departed part 2, here is a, so he Abel Merriweather comes down, and Abel Merriweather gets up from the bed and comes down from the upstairs. So and at that moment Victoria, a daughter of Slater's family, so Victoria runs to through the his her mother. So then he saw her her granddaughter. So what happened, Victoria? So what's the matter, little Vicky? So why are you running? Why you running there? So he asked to her daughter, granddaughter. Then at that moment he just see he saw his son-in-law and her younger daughter. So younger daughter, elder Elizabeth Jordan. So then he asked, so then he asked so actually in western countries, who just we just we can meet first, then we can give shake hand, or move or move our hand. So that's why here also same the situation. So he asked Vicky, so actually comes down from upstairs, and since the girl is running, her grandfather saw that girl. So and he asked what is happened, Vicky. So he thought something happened to Vicky. He thinking about that is something happened to Vicky. So like that, that is why he asked what's the matter, Vicky? What happened, Vicky? So he looks them, and all the stood ground floor and looks at him. So he looks them, and he asked, hello Ben, how are you? And Lizzie too. So why did you come here, and what you bring me for me? He asks like that. So actually when old man comes down, so they try give a shake hand, or move hand to Ben. So but Ben completely frightened, a fear about that person. So he doesn't want to touch her. He doesn't want to touch. He is thinking that Abel Merriweather is a ghost. So that's why he maintained some distance. So going he was going beside his wife Elizabeth Jordan. So who's Elizabeth Jordan? Elizabeth Jordan is a younger daughter of Abel Merriweather. Okay, then at that moment Amelia approaching to her father Abel Merriweather. So she's still doubtful. So she can't believe her eyes. Father, is that you? So she asked to her father. So father, is that you? And she confirmed. So whether it was a ghost or a human, Abel Merriweather. She also pokes with her fingers. So why are you then Abel Merriweather asked to elder daughter, why are you doing like that tomfooly? Like a brainless person, don't do that, Amelia. So it's hurting me. So don't do like that, Amelia. So are you quite for? And again she, a younger daughter asked that. So are you quite father? Are you quite father? Are you fine father? Are you fine father? So then then she asks her father. Yeah. Then he could reply that. Yeah, I am looking. I mean, yeah, I am fine. So, what happened? So, what happened? I have a little, a bit of headache. I have suffering from a little bit of headache. So, nothing to worry about my health. Nothing to worry about me. So, you can reply that. Then he asks, "Where are my slippers?" Then Abel Merriweather asks to her elder daughter Amelia, "Amelia, where are my slippers?" Then she could say, "I don't know. Is that hearth nearest hearth, father?" So then, whenever whenever her father asks to where are my slippers, that moment, uh, Henry remove the that new slippers. So we know before in the already what happened in the part 1. So Henry wore those new slippers. So why they thought he is dead? So why they thought he is dead? So whenever asked to Amelia, so where are my slippers? That that moment. So here Henry removed that new slippers and also able that situation. Henry removed the new slippers at that moment. Observing Henry, Abel Merriweather observing that, observing why you are wearing my new slippers, and he asked to Henry Slater. Then her, his wife could answer that. So I told them to stretch and to move easily further. So then he covered the that mistake. So and also, so Abel Merriweather observing the pointing, observing the bureau and also clock that. So he could ask why you are, uh, I mean uh, so what was the bureau was doing here? So why you are shifting my things, Amelia and Henry? He asked, so why you are shifting my bureau? So he could ask. So then everyone and also, so you could bring my clock also. So why you bring down my things from the upstairs? Father asked that. So then and asks to them, so everyone in morning, so they will look like everyone in morning. It's a every person's there. So they wear a new they wear a black dress. They wear a black dress. Then so he could ask every then usually in western countries, uh, they come to the ceremony, the death of ceremony, so they wear black color dress. They are in black, that's why they all in black dress. So actually in India, so we don't see such things. So the dead ceremony we don't wear a black dress. If we can see in some other places like the ceremony of death, some wear white dresses, some rich peoples in India, like uh, some other places only. So in western countries, the ceremony of death, they can wear a black dress. So the black is an indication of sorrowness. The black is indication of sorrowness. So that's why they can wear a black dress. But in western countries, but in our country, we can wear a white dress. So here that is the difference of ceremony of death, wearing dresses. So in western countries, in Indian countries. So a black dress, it shows they have in a sad situation. So then that they were wore a black dress, that the immediately looking at them and ask, Abel Merriweather understood, so what was, I mean, so what's the happened, so who's dead in our family, like he asked to that. So why he asked who's dead in our family. So he observed everyone in morning. So I mean everyone wear a black dress, so that is a show, that is a represent of a sadness, that indication of a black sad situation. So that's why he could ask, that's why he asked that is some, I mean some is dead in our family, then uh, so so he asks, so who's dead in our family, Amelia? And then she said that oh, uh, a relation of Ben's dad. Then he could say, oh, what, damn it, I don't have no brothers. So he said that, yeah. So actually Ben doesn't have a brothers, so but they try to they try to cover up all the lies, like one lie to hide another one, and another lie to hide another one. So these so they were talk a lie. So here, so they could say, I don't have, actually Ben doesn't have brothers, but Amelia said that brother of Ben was died. So why she tell a lie, so lies, so he asked that who's dead in our family. So then I mean, right, then Amelia said that is the relation of Ben's family. So okay, that is there's no problem. So he is a relation of Ben. Okay, right now. So all everyone lies. So like that, they were cover up every situation. So then Abel Merriweather asked that. So what was the name of dead person? So what was the name of dead person? Then he could, I mean, so Abel Merriweather, I mean, so Amelia and Henry Slater and Elizabeth Jordan, Ben Jordan, they could say like this name. So what that name? So I mean Abel Merriweather asked that name. So who's that name? Dead person name. So immediately Amelia said that. Amelia says Frederick, and Elizabeth says. So Elizabeth, I mean Elizabeth. So Elizabeth says Albert, and Ben says Isaac. So I mean he is trying to actual. They don't ask. I mean he Abel Merriweather don't ask, don't know. So I mean sorry, Elizabeth, Ben Jordan don't know what, don't know ideas what was asked the questions from Abel Merriweather. So immediately remembered of some other names. So one is I mean Amelia says one name, and Elizabeth says one name, and Ben says one name. So here they immediately all the three people's names includes try give at a time three different names. So it is it's a very funniest thing. So if we can see in that situation, it's a very funniest thing. So a name of them, other person say the name tries to give the names like okay fine, no problem, I mean the name that is that is Fred Alba Isaac. He could say Ben. He could Ben Jordan could say that name. So Isaac. So then Abel Merriweather asked that again. Okay, no problem. So where he died, so I mean which place he died, then Abel Merriweather, I mean Ben said that in Australia, like that. So this is the one happened in the part 2, and that the moment we stopped that they were I mean they were discussing about that bureaus and clock, like these stolen things from upstairs to downstairs. So who stolen of these things? So Abel Merriweather elder daughter and his elder son-in-law. So Abel Merriweather, who is Abel Merriweather elder daughter? So elder daughter is Amelia, and elder son-in-law is Henry Slater. They were stolen of these things. So here, so what happened? What they were discussing about these things about Abel Merriweather. Then, so who died of this situation? Then Amelia said to Elizabeth, don't say like these words. I mean, don't tell to our father. So we bring down from the upstairs of these things. We don't robbery from these things. Don't say like these. That then Abel Merriweather, then Abel Merriweather decided that confirmed that. So that is so wait. So they were discussing about that. Wait. So I have to. So they were discussing. I mean, they were quarrel about of these all those things. So they were a robber. So robbing like this. So then Amelia and Henry. So don't tell to our father. So what were robbery things. So please don't tell. Then Abel Merriweather. So what was happened? I want to know what was going on this house. So then one could say what was going on this house. Then Elizabeth Jordan said that, so you are all these things they bring down from the upstairs, father. So they were decided to, you are a dead. But whom dead? So your father, you are dead. So but I am not dead, I am alive. So I am alive. So but they were decided that you are a I mean you are a died person. So that's why they bring down all your things that. So they robbery of all of your things that. So like this they I mean Elizabeth Jordan told to her father about what happened in this uh, in his in their in them house. So here, so okay. So then Abel Merriweather conclusion that, I mean Abel Merriweather completed that. Oh, that's why you are all in wear a black dress. So wait, I find the where we stopped. Since your mother didn't die. Okay, right. So Mr. Jordan Slater or Jordan Rising, yes, okay. So Amelia and Henry, they were stolen. These are all completed. So I am not stopped. This is also completed after the other no, but okay, right. So right, Abel Merriweather decided that. So that's why you are all in black today. So you thought I was dead. So he chuckles. I mean, it's a small laughing. So that was a big mistake. He sits and resuming a tea. So he sat on the chair and take a sip of tea. So then Abel Merriweather elder daughter, that is Amelia, sobbing a father like this. So she is crying continuously. So then Abel Merriweather talks that Abel Merriweather said to that is I didn't take you long to start dividing my things between you. So I will tell you what I am going to do. Since your mother died, I have lived a part of the time with you, Amelia, and a part of with you, Lizzie. So well, I shall make a new will, leaving all my bits of things to whoever I am living with when I die. So how does that strike you? So here Abel Merriweather said to his daughters, elder daughter and to younger daughter, so Amelia and Elizabeth daughters, Elizabeth Jordan. He could say that that is one. So all of you listen one thing. So I lived a part of time with you, Amelia, and I lived a part of time with you, Elizabeth. So I will make a one agreement. I will make a one legal document. That is, so who are who are care of with me. So who are living with them. So when I died, so I wrote these properties belongs to that person. So that's the I make a new I will that is a legal document. So this is told to her to his daughters, the two daughters. Then Mistress Jordan, that means Elizabeth Jordan, talks to to her father. You know, father, it's a quiet time you come to live with us again. So we had make you a very comfortable, father. So you forget all these things. Our sister, I mean my sister's Amelia doesn't take you. So you come with me and I can take care of you. So don't worry, you can live with comfort, very comfortable in my home. So come with me, father. She asks to her father. Then Slater, I mean Mr. Slater, Amelia Slater talks to his to her father. So no, he is not been with us as long as he was with you. So no, I don't send with you, our father. So he when so he lived with us he lived with us when he died. So when he died, so he he long time he would be lived a long time. He would be lived a long time with us. Don't send with you, Elizabeth. So I want to uh, I want to care to her, to my father with me. Don't send to with you, she said to Elizabeth Jordan. Then Elizabeth Jordan talked that, and then Elizabeth Jordan replied that. So Elizabeth Jordan replied that I may be wrong. So, but I don't think father will fancy living on with you after what is happening today. So I don't think a father lives with you what was happening today. So that's why I want to bring our father to my home. So I take care of my our father myself. So she said to her sisters, then I love my father and I take care of my father. So she and they were talking about like this. Then Abel Merriweather interrupted their conversation and talks to that is it seems to me that neither of you has any cause to feel proud about the way you aren't treated me. So okay, don't worry. So I would like to so if you, I mean here Abel Merriweather talks to that. I proud if you are feel if you are feel if you not, I mean your thought is only of my things. Don't love of my attitude, so you don't love me, so that's why you are all quarrel of my things only. So you, I think if you if you if you loves me, and you can argue, no, I don't, I want to take care of our father with us, with me, so then I will proud you, so you are my great daughters, but here is so your quarrel always our my property, I mean my things, so I don't like this way. So you are treated badly to me, so he is express feeling, so he is express of his feelings. So then Mr. Slater, I mean Amelia, talks that if I have done anything wrong, I am sure I am sorry for it. So Dad, if I do, if I did anything wrong, then I can tell you I'm sorry, I'm very sorry what happened, so the previous days, what happened the last days, so I'm totally sorry to that, I totally ask apology of about what happened in the previous days. So here please apology my mistakes, and come with us, live with me, she asked to her father. Then Jordan interrupted that matter, and I can't say more than the two, so I don't say like that, I'm so sorry, so I want to bring our father to my home, so you are a big mistake, you did a big mistake, so that's why I would like to care of our father. So here Abel Merriweather again interrupted that, so here it's a bit late to say it now, and neither of you cared to put up with me, so it's very late, so you could talk these things, so it's very late time, so you you tells like these words, so I'm sorry, I don't want to live with you, I mean especially these two daughters. So then Mr. Slater and Mr. Jordan, no father, no father, like this they talked to them. So again Abel Merriweather uh, talks to that, hey, you both say that because of what I have told you about leaving my money, so well, since you don't want me, so I will go to someone that does. So Abel Merriweather understood what they are, I mean what his daughters quarrel, what was they want, so they want all of the things of his properties and his money, I mean insurance money, so they were only quarrel of these things, they were quarrel to love with me, so they don't have love with me, so that's why I don't live with you. So he, since I want to live with some other persons, he said that to them. Then Ben involved that moment. Ben interrupted the situation. So Ben Jordan, I mean younger son-in-law, talks that is come, Mr. Merriweather, you have got a live with one of your daughters. So Merriweather, that means father-in-law, you don't say, you don't tell like that, so you leave some other persons. So he could say that he told to his daughters, so I want to live some other persons, I don't want to live with you, so Lizzie and Victoria. So here then his son, his younger son-in-law interrupted that, so come Mr. Abel Merriweather, you don't got live with one of your daughters, you could live with one daughter or another daughter, with Amelia or Elizabeth daughter, you don't have any other persons to give to live to them. So then Abel Merriweather talks that I will tell you what I have got to do. So on Monday next, on Monday next, I have got to three things. I have go to I have got to go to the lawyer and alter my will, and I have got to go to the insurance office and pay my premium, and I have got to go to the Saint Philip's Church and get married. So he could say three things. He could do three things on Monday. So what these are three things? What these are three things? He he got to go to the lawyer. He goes to the lawyer and write a document about his property. Who 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 were the owner of who were the owner of his property after he died. So he wrote a document of these properties, of these things. So that's why he goes to, he will go to a lawyer to he will meet to lawyer and wrote and write a document of his properties. And then again another thing is he go to insurance office and pay his a premium insurance. So and then the third thing is he go to he goes to Saint Philip's Church and get married. So these three things will do on Monday. He could say these three things, all of them. Then Ben and Henry, what they can ask a surprising what. So like this, why they were asked a surprising expression of what. So he could say three things that are one is going to goes to lawyer and write a document, and the second one is go to insurance office and pay a premium of his insurance, and the third one is go to Saint Philip's Church and get married. So that's a surprising thing there. So that's why the Ben and Henry, what they can ask a surprise. Then Mr. Jordan get married. Younger daughter asked that get married. So how could you get married? So then again elder daughter, so Amelia said he is out of his sense. He lost his sense after he gets up from bed and gets down from his bedroom. So he lost his sense. Generally common sense lost his common sense. So here that is the situation of this. So here and again Abel Merriweather, I say I am going to get married. So again he confirmed that the matter. So all to them. So I say all of you, I say I am going to get married. So then Mistress Slater, that means Amelia asked that who's to. So who will get you married? So then Abel Merriweather told to them. So that is to Mistress John Shawcross. So to Mistress John Shawcross, who keeps the Ring O Bells. This is a Ring O Bells church home. So I want to get I will get to marry with John Shawcross. She is in living in Ring O Bells. Then we have had a fixed up and good while now, and but I was keeping it for a pleasant surprise. So we have all my things. We so we are a good while, and they were living together and very happily. So here that is the matter. So he rises. He sit in the previous conversation. He sat on the chair. Then he raised. That means he standing, and he felt that I was I felt I was a bit of a burden to you. So I think I was a burden to you. So you are a trouble to care of my to care of mine. So that's why I would like to get married, and I want to happy with shock. I mean John Shorrocks. So then I found someone who didn't who had think it a pleasure to look after me. So you are a trouble to care of mine. I mean you are a burden. You think you are all think so you are burden to care of mine. So that's why I would like to get married, and I would like to get married, and I will, and we were happily together. So we are pleasure. I mean very happy. Look after me. So and I give my all properties. I give my all things to her. So we shall be very glad to see you at the ceremony. I mean, so we will meet at the Saint Philip's Church on Monday. So it's a very glad, it's a very happiest moment. So that is the ceremony, that is a festival of my life. So he could action, that is the he gets to the door. So till Monday we will meet, we will meet there. Then then 12 o'clock at Saint Philip's Church. So we will meet at 12 o'clock on Monday. So at Saint Philip's Church. So opening the door, it's a good thing. You bought that bureau downstairs, Amelia. So he told to his elder daughter that Amelia, that is you done very well shut. You done very well to me. So that is the you bring the bureau downstairs from the upstairs. So that is he it is a good thing for me, Amelia. So then it will be handier to carry it across to the ring o bell on Monday. So I wanted to bring this bureau to carry ring o bells. This the then he goes out. Then he gets out from there. So this is the then the curtain fallen. So this is the curtain fall. I mean the drama is over. So this is written by, so the written this is written by William Stanley Horton. This is written by William Stanley Horton. So the dear departed is written by William Stanley Horton. So this is the end of this class. Thank you for all to listen of the with patience of my class. Thank you for all. Thank you. Okay, all of you, thank you. So I stopped this class. So we will meet next class. Um, thank you everyone. So end this class for all.